Every year, thousands of Indian students prepare for one interview that can completely change their future. The US student visa interview. Many spend maybe months collecting documents. They practice mock interviews. They memorize all the answers. They rehearse every possible question. But what if all that preparation is actually hurting their chances? That's right, ladies and gentlemen, a former US visa officer. His name is Uvid Bansal. He has revealed why many honest Indian students still face F1 visa rejection. According to her, Indian applicants often treat the visa interview like an examination. They memorize perfect answers instead of speaking naturally. She says that even truthful answers can sound dishonest if they appear rehearsed. Here, the US visa officers, they are trained to observe not only what applicants are saying, but also how they say it. Can you think about that? You may be telling the truth, but if your answers looks like they have been memorized from YouTube or maybe copied from artificial intelligence, the visa officer may begin doubting your credibility. Mrs. Bansal said another common mistake that many Indian students are making. They are becoming too nervous during the interview. Instead of having a conversation, they try to give textbook answers. She also points out an important cultural difference here. Now in India, humility, it is often appreciated. People avoid correcting authority figures. But American visa officers, they expect applicants to speak very confidently. If the officer misunderstands something, students, they should politely explain the correct information instead of simply agreeing here. And yes, another red flag, according to Bansal here, is when one family member answers questions meant for another applicant. Even carrying unnecessary files and documents can increase stress during the interview. Wait, her advice is pretty simple. Don't memorize, don't perform, don't try to impress. Just answer honestly, just answer naturally, and answer confidently. Because sometimes, the biggest reason behind a visa rejection is not your profile. It is the way you present yourself. But yes, while thousands of Indians continue trying to enter America, another story suggests that India and the United States may once again be moving closer diplomatically, and that's a good news for everybody. Because after months of political differences, fresh signs are emerging that Washington and New Delhi may be rebuilding the trust here. Well, international relationships are often built over decades, right? But they can become strained within months. Trade dispute, diplomatic disagreement, political differences, all of them can affect relationship between countries. Ladies and gentlemen, recently many experts believe that the relationship between India and the United States had entered a difficult phase. But now, a senior American official is saying that things are changing once again. Well, speaking at the US-India Strategic Partnership Forum, Al Mason, honorary senior advisor to the organization, said that the relationship between President Donald Trump and Prime Minister Narendra Modi has regained the historic momentum. According to him, the US ambassador to India, Sergio Gore, he played an important role in rebuilding communication between the two leaders after a challenging period. He said Ambassador Gore, he personally conveyed 3 key messages from President Trump to Prime Minister Modi. That Trump respects India's rise, admires Prime Minister Modi's leadership, and wants an even stronger India-US relationship. These comments, they come at a very, very important time. Trade discussions, they are continuing. Technology partnerships are expanding. Artificial intelligence is becoming a major area of cooperation. Defense collaboration is growing stronger. And at the very same time, Washington has indicated that President Trump could visit India next year. And wait, if that happens, it could become one of the most significant diplomatic meetings in recent years. Here, political experts say that India-US relationships, it is based on much more than individual leader. Both the nations share strategic interests in the Indo-Pacific. Both want stronger economic cooperation, and both continue working together on defense, technology, and innovation. While political debates will continue, the overall partnership that remains one of the strongest strategic partnerships in the world.